First of all, I extend my best wishes to all those personnel involved in clinical trial research. Research is fundamental not only to progress of mankind but even to the survival of mankind. And we have recently witnessed this fact in the COVID-19 epidemic that we all faced a few years ago. Going back to 1900s, we would also remember the way vaccination and discovery of penicillin changed the survival of mankind. It has changed the way we treat patients, it has changed the way we look at patients, and it has extended life of normal people inflicted with infections. Today we have come a long way in treating non-communicable diseases, but there is a sudden epidemic surge of communicable heart diseases. In short, communicable diseases of all kinds. Top of all is cardiac diseases and cancers, along with pulmonary diseases. Today, the challenge faced by clinical researchers is to find solutions to help prevent both of these diseases, cardiac diseases and cancers. I wish all researchers involved in clinical research a wonderful year ahead and hope they can find answers to the problems they are looking at. Have a great year ahead. Thank you.